AA or AAA similarities, or you can say AA postulates. AA or AAA postulates. Now see, AA means 2 angles and AAA means 3 angles. Now what it means? See, if two triangles have at least 2 pairs of corresponding angles equal, the triangles are similar. What it means? See this 2 triangle. In this 2 triangle, A and D are equal and B and E are equal. Okay, now automatically C and F will be equal. Why? Because angle C will be 180 minus A plus B, and angle F will be 180 minus angle D plus angle E, right? Now, if A is equal to D and angle B is equal to angle E, then automatically sum of them will be equal. That means A plus B is equal to D plus E, right? So if these 2 things are equal, then if you subtract same thing from a same constant, that is 180, you are subtracting this same number. Okay, so you will get same things. That means angle C and angle F will be same. Okay, will be equal. So automatically, if at least, so that's why if at least 2 pairs of corresponding angles equal in case of 2 triangle. So in that case, you can say these 2 triangles are similar according to AA or AAA postulates. Okay. Now I'm going to start exercise. Question number 1. A. In a triangle ABC, BAC is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree and AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay. So this is D. Now triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBA. That you have to prove. No need to prove. Actually, you have to identify by which postulates these 2 triangles are similar. Okay, now see, angle B is common angle. Angle BAC is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. See, this is 90 degree and that is also 90 degree, right? So the raised angle, that is angle BCA, is equal to angle BAD is equal to 180 minus angle B plus 90 degree. So these 2 are also equal. So according to AAA postulates, they are similar. So option 3 is the correct answer. Okay. Now B. See the diagram. Here AE is 10 centimeter. BD is 8 centimeter. This one. BC, this one, that is 10 centimeter. And you have to find this one, AB. Okay. So in case of 2 triangle, see this 2 triangle. Triangle BCD and triangle ACE. They are similar. Why? Because C is common angle. And angle B is equal to angle A is equal to 90 degree. Okay. This one is 90 degree. This one is also 90 degree. So AAA, according to, they are similar. Now see another thing. Since these 2 are similar, that means their corresponding sides are proportional. So you can write AE by AC is equal to BD by BC, right? Now BD is 8 by 10 is equal to 10 by AC, right? So AC equal to 100 by 8, that means 12.5. Okay. Now if AC is 12.5 and you know that BC is 10, so AB will be this will be 2.5 centimeter. So option 4 is the correct answer. Yes, option 4 is the correct answer. Next, see the picture. In case of question number C, see the picture. This angle is equal to that angle and this angle is equal to that angle. So in case of triangle ADE and in case of triangle ABCD, BC. See, angle AED is equal to angle ACB. That is given. Now angle DAE is equal to angle DAB plus angle BAE, and angle BAC is equal to angle BAE plus angle EAC. Now see, according to this picture, DAB, this one, and EAC, this one, they are equal. So these two are also equal. So that means ADE and ABC, they are similar. These two triangles are similar. So option 2 is the correct answer. See, option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Now see next one. See this picture. Question number D. See this picture. This AB and DC, they are parallel to each other. Now, this, in case of this two triangle, AOB and COD. See, angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. Now, angle BAO is equal to angle OCD. Why? Because they are alternate angle, right? So they are basically alternate angle. Now, according to AAA postulate, these two will be similar. So triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Okay. Now from that thing, you can say the corresponding sides are proportional. So AB by CD is equal to OB by OD. Okay. So from here, x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. So if you cross multiply, 4x plus 4 is equal to 3 plus 3x plus 6. So x equal to 2. X equal to 2. So value of x will be 2. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. See question number 2. See in this figure, AB and CD, these two straight lines, they intersect at the point P. And AC is parallel to BD. You have to prove that triangle APC is similar with triangle BPD. Now in case of these two triangles, see, angle APC is equal to angle BPD. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angle. Right? Now, see, these two are parallel. So, this two angle ACP is equal to angle BDP. Why? They are alternate angle. So, you can easily say by A. So, according to AAA postulates, triangle APC is similar to triangle BPD. Okay. Now that means, see, first part is proved. First part, that is proved. Now second part, see, since they are similar, that means corresponding sides are proportional. So that means you can write AC by DB is equal to AP by PB is equal to PC by PD. Okay. Now see, BD is equal to 2.4 centimeter. AC equal to 3.6 centimeter. PD equal to 4.0 centimeter. And PB is equal to 3.2 centimeter. Okay, that is given. Now AP means PA. Okay. Now from first two equation, AC 3.6 by BD or DB, whatever, 2.4 is equal to PA. See, you have to find PA and PC. So PA by PB, PB means 3.2. Okay. So that means PA is equal to 3.6 into 3.2 whole divided by 2.4. So if you calculate, you will get 4.8. Okay. Now from last two part, this one and that one, not last two part, first and third portion. 3.6 by 2.4 is equal to PC by PD. PD means 4. Okay. So 3 by 2. So that means PC is equal to 3 by 2 into 4. Okay. So 3 into 2, that will be 6 centimeter. Here 4.8 centimeter. Okay. So they are the length of PA. So length of PA is 4.8 and length of PC is 6 centimeter. Okay. See question number 3. See this figure. In this figure, AB is parallel to DC. BO is 6 centimeter. DQ is 8 centimeter. And you have to find BP cross DO. BP cross DO. So let's start. In case of this two triangle OPB and triangle OQD. Say this two triangle. One thing I just want to tell you. Since AB is parallel to DC, that means PB is parallel to DQ. Okay. Now in case of this two triangle, angle, see this angle is equal to that angle. Why? Alternate angle. So you can write DQO is equal to BPO. Angle BPO. Why? Alternate angle. And for the same reason, angle QDO is equal to angle OBP. That is also for alternate angle, right? So now according to AAA postulate, OPB is similar to triangle OQD. Okay. Now this two, since these two triangle are similar, so corresponding sides are proportional. So you can write BP by DQ. BP by DQ is equal to OP by OQ is equal to OB by OD. Okay. Now from this two part, what you can say? See, here I am writing BP by DQ is equal to OB by OD. Okay. So BP cross OD is equal to OB cross DQ. Now OB means 6 centimeter into DQ means 8 centimeter. So that will be 48 centimeter. Okay. See, in case of this given diagram, see the question. In triangle ABC, BM is perpendicular to AC and CN is perpendicular to AB. Then you have to show AB by AC is equal to BM by CN is equal to AM by AN. Okay. So first you just need to write BM is perpendicular to AC and CN is perpendicular to AB. Okay. Now in case of this two triangle ABM, this one, and triangle ACN, see A is common. So angle A is common angle. Now angle M is equal to angle N is equal to 90 degree, right? See this one for this triangle, this angle M means BMA. Okay, angle BMA. And angle N, that means ANC. This angle, they are 90 degree. So according to AAA postulates, triangle ABM is similar to ACN. Okay. Now see. So from here, you can write that corresponding sides are proportional since they are similar. So you can write AM by AN is equal to, see, AM by AN is equal to BM by CN is equal to AB by AC. That you need to see. That means this one. AB by AC is equal to BM by CN is equal to AM by AN. Okay, proved. See question number 5. See the diagram. This is G. Okay, GHE, this angle, this is 90 degree, and DFE, that means this angle, this one is 90 degree. Okay, DH equal to 8, DF equal to 12, DG equal to 3x minus 1, DE is equal to 4x plus 2. Okay. Now see, if you consider two triangle DGH and triangle DEF, angle DGH, sorry, not this one, angle GDH is equal to angle EDF. See, same angle, this angle and that angle. D is common angle. And angle GHD is equal to angle EFD is equal to 90 degree. So according to AAA postulate, triangle DGH, this one, similar to triangle DEF, this one. Okay, so these two are similar. Now one thing, so corresponding sides are proportional, DH by DF. DH by DF is equal to, see why this by this one, see DH, see angle G, this angle is equal to that angle G is equal to angle E. So opposite to angle G, the side that is DH, that will be equal to opposite to angle E, that is DF. Okay, GH by EF, GH opposite to angle D and EF, that is also opposite to angle D. Okay, that is equal to GD, that is the opposite hypotenuse of this one by hypotenuse of second angle, this one, ED. Okay, now if you put the value, see, DH means 8, DF means 12, so 8 by 12 is equal to, see, from this two, 3x minus 1 by 4x plus 2. So x equal to 7. So DG will be 3 into 7 minus 1, that is 20, and DE 4 into 7, 28 plus 2, that means 30. See, question number 6. In case of PQR, okay, PQR is a triangle where angle PQR, angle Q, that is that this angle is 90 degree and QM is perpendicular to PR. Okay. Now, if you consider triangle PQR, that the bigger one, with the PMQ, this one. Okay. So PQR and PMQ. Okay. In case of these two triangle, angle P is common. Right? P is common. This angle and the bigger one. Okay. Angle P is common. Angle PMQ is equal to angle PQR, that is equal to 90 degree. So according to AAA postulate, triangle PQR is similar to triangle PMQ. Okay. From here, you can say corresponding sides are proportional. So from here, you can write PQ by PR. See, this one by PR is equal to PM by PQ is equal to QM by QR. Okay. So from this two part, this one and that one, what you can say, PQ square is equal to PM cross PR. See the first one, what you need to prove, first part, that is already proved. Okay. So that is the proof of first part. Next part, again you have to consider two triangle QMR and triangle PQR. So QMR means this triangle, this one, and the bigger one, PQR. Okay. So they are also similar from the same reason. R is common and 290-degree angle is there. So angle, same way you can prove this one is similar to PQR. So from here you can write QR by PR is equal to QM by PQ is equal to MR by QR. So from this two part you can say QR square is equal to PR into MR. Okay. So this is the proof of second part. See, these two are similar. So corresponding sides are proportional. And from this two part, you can say this one. Okay. Now, if you take this two part and add them, 1 and 2, if you add 1 and 2, what you will get? PQ square plus QR square is equal to PM cross PR plus PR cross MR. Okay. So PR into PM plus MR. Okay. So you can write PR square. Okay, understood? See question number 7. In ABC, see ABC is a triangle where B is 90 degree and BD is perpendicular to AC. Now there are some condition and you have to find out AD, BD and AD in case of different condition. Okay, so first, see, I have drawn the picture. ABC, B is 90 degree, BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay, now see, in case of first one, CD and BD is given. CD and BD is given to you. You have to find out AD. So, see two triangle ABD and triangle DBC. This two triangle. See, this two triangle are similar triangle. Why? First of all, this angle is equal to that angle that is 90 degree. So, angle ADB is equal to angle BDC is equal to 90 degree. Now, if angle BAD or C, BAD equal to X. So, angle ACB will be 90 minus X. Right. Angle ACB, that will be 90 minus X. Angle ABD plus angle EBC, that is also 90 degree. See, in case of this ABD, say this is X. Okay, so this will be 90 minus X. Right? Because this is 90. And if this is X, since the bigger one is a right angle triangle and this is 90, so this will be 90 minus X. Right? This C angle. So C and B are equal. Right? And in case of this angle, this triangle BDC, if this is 90 minus X, then this will be X. Right? So that means A is equal to angle, that means angle DAB is equal to angle DBC and angle ABD is equal to angle DCB. Okay, so according to AAA postulates, triangle ABD is similar to triangle DBC, right? Now see, you can easily write, since these two triangles are similar, you can write that corresponding sides are proportional. So you can write AD by BD is equal to AB by BC is equal to BD by DC, right? So from this two part, you can write AD is equal to BD square into DC. Now see, first condition. BD is given to you and CD is given to you. CD or DC, whatever may be, that is given to you. You have to find out AD. So AD will be, BD means, here it is given 8. 8 square into DC or CD is 10. So it will be 640. So AD will be 640 centimeter. Now see the next one, next part. If AC is 18 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter. If AC is given, AD is given, you have to find BD. See, to find out BD, what you need? AD and DC, right? And here AC and AD is given. AD is given and AC is given. AC, then this one, AC, AD is given. So obviously you will able to find out DC, right? So if AC is 18 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter, then DC is 18 minus 6, that is 12 centimeter. So from this part. So from this part, BD square equal to, sorry, this will be BD square by DC. Okay, BD square by DC. See, AD, see, I have done one mistake. See, AD by BD equal to BD by DC, right? So AD will be BD square by DC. Okay, so 8 square by 10. So 64 by 10. So it will become 6.4 centimeter. Okay, 6.4 centimeter. Now see, if AC is this one, AD is this one. Okay, AD and DC is here. BD square will be 6 into 12. So that means BD equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. Okay, this part. Now see the last part. See, AC and AB. AC and AB is given. You have to find AD. Now in case of this part, you need to consider two triangle, that is ABD and the bigger one ABC. See, I have already proved in this problem that triangle ABD and the bigger triangle ABC, they are similar, right? PQM is similar to PQR. Same proof. Okay, same reason you can say triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, now from so you can write AB by AD is equal to AC by AB. So AB square is equal to AC into AD. AC is 9 centimeter into AD. AB is 7 centimeter. So AD will be 49 by 9. Okay. So answer will be 5 and a 4 by 9. AD will be 49 by 9. So 5 and a 4 by 9. Okay. See, in case of question number 8, see the diagram. Here QPR is a right angle triangle where P is 90 degree. Okay. QR is given to you. QR equal to 8 centimeter. MQ equal to 3.5 centimeter. So you can easily calculate MR, that will be 8 minus 3.5 centimeter. So it will be 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now see, in case of triangle PQR and triangle MRP, R is common, angle R is common, and angle PMR is equal to angle QPR is equal to 90 degree. So from this two condition, by AAA, according to AAA postulate, you can say PQR is similar to MRP. Okay. So you can write that corresponding sides are proportional. So you can write PR by QR, hypotenuse of right angle. MP by PQ is equal to MR by PR. Okay. Now from this two part, you can say PR square is equal to QR into MR, right? Now QR, that is 8 into 4.5. Okay. So it is, if you multiply, it will be 36. So PR will be 6 centimeter. Okay.